Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss about Lewis acidity of boron halides. Boron trihalides, the boron atom is in a state of sp2 hybridization. The ground state electronic configuration of boron atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1. In the excited state electronic configuration of boron atom, one of the 2s electron gets promoted to 2py and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1. Then the 2s and 2p electrons undergo hybridization, and these hybrid orbitals are arranged in trigonal planar geometry. Boron atom has only 62 valence electron around it in such a molecule. So the boron trihalides are electron deficient compounds. They are having a tendency to accept a pair of electron from a donor or Lewis bases and behaves as Lewis acids. We know the term electronegativity. It measures the tendency of an atom to attract a shared pair of electrons. While considering the halogen's electronegativity, fluorine is the most electronegative element and it decreases in the order fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. It leads to a prediction that BF3 would be the strongest Lewis acid among the boron halides. This expectation arises because in BF3, the boron atom is attached to 3 highly electronegative fluorine atom. The fluorine, being more electronegative than other halogen, would be expected to draw electron density away from the boron most strongly, thereby creating the greatest electron deficiency at boron. That is, we would expect that Lewis acidity would decrease from BF3 to Bi3. But this is not correct. The correct order of boron trihalide is BF3 is the least Lewis acid and Bi3 is the most strongest Lewis acid. Lewis acidity explained on the basis of the relative tendencies of the different halogen atoms to back donate their non-bonded electron pairs to the vacant p orbitals of the boron atom. This is called p-pi back bonding. That is, a shift of electron density from halogen to boron atom can occur through a pi overlap between a vacant p orbital of boron atom and a filled p orbital of halogen atom. The equivalent resonance structures resulting from p-pi back bonding is shown in the figure. If the efficacy of p-pi back bonding increases, it effectively decreases the electron accepting power of the electron deficient center boron atom and thereby causes a decrease in Lewis acidity of the halide. The most effective p-pi back bonding occurs in BF3 because the pi overlap is between the vacant 2p orbital of boron atom and a filled 2p orbital of fluorine atom, which have similar size and energies. The efficacy of the pi overlap is less in BCl3, still less in BBr3 and the least in Bi3. Because in comparison with the boron 2p orbital, the size and energy of the overlapping orbital of the halogen increases from fluorine to iodine. In the case of BF3 molecule, empty 2p orbital of boron atom and fully filled 2p orbital of fluorine atom overlaps with each other. So it's a very good overlapping and effective p-pi back bonding occurs. But in the case of BCl3 molecule, empty 2p orbital of boron atom and fully filled 3p orbital of chlorine overlaps with each other. Here the size and energy of the overlapping orbitals are different, so a weak p-pi back bonding occurs. But in the case of BBr3 molecule, the empty 2p orbital of boron atom and fully filled 4p orbital of bromine atom overlaps with each other. Here also the size and energy of the overlapping orbitals are different, so it's not an effective overlapping. So a very weak back bonding occurs. Similarly, in the case of Bi3 molecule, empty 2p orbital of boron atom and fully filled 5p orbital of iodine atom overlaps with each other. It is not an effective overlapping and also a very weak back bonding occurs. Because of this back bonding nature, the Lewis acid strength of boron trihalides is in the order BF3 is less than that of BCl3, which is less than that of BBr3, which is less than that of Bi3. That is, Bi3 is the strongest Lewis acid among boron trihalides. Today we have learned about the Lewis acidity of boron trihalides, the reason for the Lewis acidity and the order of Lewis acidity among boron trihalides. Thank you.